Yes, you can see the screen. All right, let's start. Okay, again, feel free to ask me questions in the chat. All right. So these are house rules. I will skip it lah. All right. So basically, use the chat. Okay. So unless I say unmute yourself, then you can unmute yourself. All right. Then if you need to go toilet to get water, feel free. Just type into the chat. I want to go toilet. I'm back. All right. And when you're back, just type I'm back. So do not need to ask for permission. Just type into the chat and inform me. All right, again, just a reminder, this is the National Days promotion. So please continue to share with your friends and family. 88 Tuition WhatsApp number, the WhatsApp handphone number, and also your own personal referral code so that your friend can get one free live lesson. And if they choose to subscribe, they get 25% off, and you yourself also get 25% off. So both of you will be equally happy. All right, so please do share 88 Tuition. We have tuition from primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, primary 6, secondary 1, and secondary 2. Next year, we're going to start secondary 3 and on a lot of all the subjects, English, Math, Science, and Chinese. All right, let's start. First question. All right, so looking at this, right? Okay, if you look at, basically they say Sally was walking along the bank of a river and observed some plants growing in a particular pattern. She made a diagram of her observations. Now, what is the meaning of observations? Anyone? Unmute yourself. What's the meaning of observations?
What do you see?
Say again, louder, please. Let me.
What do you see?
Thank you. What you see. All right. What you see with your eyes, or even what you smell. Can also be sense of smell, or even touch. All right. So all these are observations, not just your eyes. Can be using your ears, can be using your fingers. All right. No worries, Giselle. All right. Once you get your marks, share with me your marks. Okay. Then after that, basically the question is asking you what is the seed dispersal method. All right, so what's the seed dispersal method? So first of all, I want to ask you, where is water? Is water on top or water is below? Because they never color. Okay, can everybody type in the chat, everyone? Water on top or water below? All right, type into the chat, please. Water on top or water below? Okay. Let me see anybody with a different answer. Wow, okay, all correct. No wrong answer. Excellent. That means I asked a too easy a question. Okay, so anyway, this is the water. All right, then I'm going to highlight the ones that is, do you see the triangle? I'm going to highlight using highlighter blue. Let me highlight the triangle one. So triangle here, 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 here. What do y'all notice about all these plants, the triangle plants? What do y'all notice? All right, can you either type into the chat, everyone? Yeah, good job, Jia Ping. What do y'all notice about these triangle plants? The rest, please type into the chat very quickly so that we can move on. All right, what do you notice about all these plants, triangle plants? No, Josiah, Josiah, you are absolutely right. But what do you see from the picture? What you type is the conclusion. All right, what you type is the conclusion. But what do you see from the picture? Okay. All right, Giselle, well done. Marisa once said the plants are near each other. But then if you say it this way, then how about this? This one is also the plants are near to each other. The plants are near to each other, even nearer. So you can't write the plants are near each other. It should be the plants are near the are just along the what? The plants are along the. So you notice that Z, the plant Zs are all along. Okay. Are all along the river. You have to write this way. Don't tell me dispersed by water yet. They are all along the river. That means they follow the river direction. You see, this is the beach lah, you know, the shoreline. All right. So where this is land, all these are land. This one is water. All right. The on top is water. Below is land. All right. So the plants are all found along the river. Okay, along the river. Now, because of that, like what is Josiah said, therefore you know that Z is dispersed by water. Okay, but then if I ask you what is the observation, you cannot tell me straight away Z is dispersed by water. The observation from the data, right? The data from the picture is, it is all along the river. All right, so this is how you write. So Z is along the river, therefore I will choose, then the answer is only one. So easy, right? Oh, don't even have to ask anything straight away. See, this one wrong, this one wrong, this one wrong. Then the only answer is D. All right, but for practice sake, let's do the rest. I'm going to change my highlighter to yellow. All right, the yellow one, okay, circle. Okay, all the circle. So yellow one is plant X. All right, so what do you notice about the yellow ones? Can y'all type into the chat, what do y'all notice about the yellow ones? Okay, can everybody type into the chat, what do you notice about the yellow one? Well done, Josiah. Let me just make sure I have marked the correct attendance. Okay, Josiah, this is your first lesson with Miss Ivy. Welcome. All right, so
with you before.
Say again. Yes, Josiah.
I think I listened with you before.
You attended with me before. I also think your name looks very familiar, but you dropped off after a while, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome back. But today is your trial lesson, right?
Because I have exam next week, that's why my mother asked.
Your exam is next week. Okay, but happy to have you here, Josiah. All right. So Giselle say the plants are together in a pile. All right. Jia Ping say the plants are not too far away from the parent plant. So in other words, Jia Ping, you're saying the plants are very near to the parent plant. All right. So well done. Okay. So this is what you will write. Okay. So the plants are clustered. All right. The plants are clustered together. So plant X, all right, are all clustered together. They are very near each other. So I use the word clustered, like, you know, they are all grouped together. All right. If you can't spell clustered, maybe you use the word group. They are all grouped together, or they are near each other. So because of that, right, you will know that X is dispersed by what? Can y'all type into the chat? X is dispersed by? Anyone? When you see that it's so near each other, you see? Very near each other. You know, I can even draw a circle. Okay, very near each other. Well done, Jia Ping. The rest, what is it dispersed by? All right, good job, Joanne. Good job, Marissa. Hang on. Good job, Josiah. Giselle, that's wrong. All right, but good try. So Joanne, well done. Marissa, well done. Okay, so far, Jia Ping already said correct. Well done. So Giselle wrong. So because it are clustered together like one whole circle, it'll be splitting. All right, when a fruit splits, right, it cannot split too far away. When a fruit splits open, the seeds will just drop onto the ground.
I'm so ready.
Okay, thank you. All right, so it should be by splitting. Once you see near to each other, straight away splitting. All right, so this is what you should be doing. I highlight for you. All right, so you write clustered together. Okay, so the plants clustered together, you'll be splitting. All right, then the blue color, I use blue because water, right? Water, we think of it as blue. So therefore, along the river, the plants are all found along the river. All right, is everybody clear? All right, let's move on. So can you all help me with this? All right, so this is just an extra recap for everyone. If something is dispersed, by the way, seed dispersal method, there are 4 methods in your syllabus. All right, seed dispersal method. So seed dispersal method, you will remember it by memory aid is the past tense of is. The past tense of is WWAS, right? Although, of course, one W only, but you put it as W, double W, so WWAS. All right, so this is what it means. Okay, so wind, water, animal splitting. Now, if you want to write explosive action, can, but please don't write explosion. If you write explosion in PSLE, you get 0 mark. All right, but you can write explosive action. But you need to use the word 2 words. So I will prefer you to just learn splitting. 1 word easier, right? Splitting. Okay. Now everybody tell me, if a seed is dispersed by wind, what kind of characteristics will the seed have? What kind of structure? Can everybody type into the chat? Wing-like, pod-like, hook-like, what kind? Okay, can y'all make a guess? So is wing-like, or hook-like, or pod-like? There are 3 terms here. 1, 2, 3. Can everybody tell me what is this? Can you type your answer? Either you type 1, 2, or 3, or you can type it out. Okay, well done, Josiah. Well done, Jia Ping. Hang on, this jumping too fast. Just a minute. Okay, well done, Marissa won. Joanne, try again. Well done, Giselle. Well done, Jia Ping. Well done, Josiah. All right. Okay. Then Marissa won, correct. Good job. Joanne, you have to try again. So you see the word wind. So it has to be wing-like. It must have a wing. So you write W-I-N-G hyphen L-I-K-E. All right, you take note the spelling is G, but here is a D, different. Different letter. Okay, different letter. W-I-N-D is wind. The W-I-N-G is wing. So it has wing-like structure, like for example, your Ansana. You see, it has like as though it has a wing, like an aeroplane wing or like wings of a bird. All right, so to help it fly. Okay, so this is wing-like structure. If it's dispersed by animal, can y'all tell me what kind of structure? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, well done, Giselle. Well done, Marissa won. 1, 2, or 3? Over here, 1, 2, or 3, this one. Okay, well done, Josiah. Well done, Jia Ping. All right, so it will be hook-like structure. How to remember for if it's dispersed by animal is hook-like structure? How to remember it? You want the fruits to hook to the animal's fur, right? All right, is to hook to animal's fur. All right, so and then the animal will run around. Okay, and then splitting will be pod-like structure. So you see, isn't it very easy to remember? So there are all the like words. If they ask you what is a characteristic, so you just remember wing-like structure, hook-like structure, pod-like structure. These 3 words are so similar. All right. So if it's dispersed by wind, of course you must have like bird wings to fly. W-I-N-G, not D. W-I-N-G. Then if it's dispersed by animal, it must hook, the fruits or the seeds must hook to the animal's fur. So hook-like structure to hook to the animal fur. And then if it's dispersed by splitting, it will be pod-like structure. So that the pod can burst open like an explosion, but do not write explosion. Okay. Then can everybody type into the chat, what is this word? The last one. How about a fruit that's dispersed by water must have what kind of has? Well done, Giselle. Excellent spelling. Well done, Jia Ping. Excellent spelling. All right. So the F word. What is the F word? Okay, well done, Josiah. I got 3 correct answer. The rest, can you type into the chat? Cannot remember, just type cannot remember. But try. Hao Qian is waterproof, but there's a special word for it. It's good try. All right. So there's a F word. Okay. Marissa, one good try, but that's not the word. Okay. All right, but it's a good try. So that at least I know how many of you. Okay, Hao Qian, you got the word right, but wrong spelling. Marissa, no worries. Thank you for telling me. All right, Joanne, a good try, but no. All right, so it is. Don't worry if you get it wrong, but after today, cannot get it wrong. Fine.